Hi, this is Rich, WB5YB said, and how would you like to tune the Icom 7300 a little bit slower? And it's not in the book. Well, thanks for watching. Let's go on over there to the Icom 7300 and let's just show you. We already know that if you want to go speed fast, you have it on here, but if you want to go slower, you can hit this to slow down the speed a little bit to tune that sideband station in. But what if you want to go a little bit slower on sideband? You just hold this and an extra little zero comes in there. And then you can see how much to tune, super fine tuning. I don't believe this is in the book. If you want to turn it off, you have to hold it in again and it pops off. Want to turn it back on? Pops on. That's it. Thanks so much for watching.